The files stored on OneDrive can be organized and arranged in different ways. You can sort your documents using a variety of criteria such as name, date, modified, and file size. From my files and folders below, I can see that the items are by default organized by type. But if I'd like to sort my data according to a specific criteria, I have a few different options. You'll notice at the top of each column that you have a drop-down menu. Once you select this menu, depending on the column type will depend on the sort criteria. For example, if I'd like to sort in alphabetical order, I can select A to Z or reverse alphabetical order Z to A. Once I select this option, I can see that the sort is applied, indicated by the sort icon with a downward-facing arrow. Now, I can also sort with another column such as modified, modified by, and even file size. I'm going to choose file size, and I can choose from smaller to larger or larger to smaller. I'm going to choose smaller to larger. Now, as you can see, when you change the sort according to the column, the sort icon will also move, indicating which column has a sort applied. Another way you can apply a sort is by going up to the menu bar and choosing Sort. From the drop-down menu, I can see which sort is currently applied, which is file size indicated by the check mark, as well as the sort order within that sort criteria. Now, if I would like to sort by type, I can select this option, and I can go back to the sort menu, and I can choose from ascending or descending. I'm going to choose descending. Now I can see that my items are sorted by type and in alphabetical order by the name of the file. So now you've seen how to apply and use sorts within OneDrive. If you're looking for a particular document or file in OneDrive, you can use the filter tool to quickly locate it. You can even apply multiple filters to narrow down your results until you find what you're looking for. Now from my files and folders below, if I would like to apply a filter, all I need to do is go to the top of one of the columns with the criteria that I would like to filter by. For example, if I'd like to filter by date modified, I can go down, select the menu, and you'll see at the bottom that you have the option Filter By. Once you select the filter option, you'll see that you have your filter criteria on the right-hand side, and you can start selecting or deselecting specific criteria. If I'm looking for values from a specific date, I'm going to select those dates and then choose Apply at the bottom to apply the filter. Now I can see I have a reduced view by applying the filter, and I'll be able to find the file that I'm looking for. You can also apply multiple filters simultaneously. So if I'd like to find a file with a specific size in mind, I can do that as well by choosing the drop-down menu. So if I'd like to find a file that was modified by a specific individual, I can go down, select the drop-down menu, and choose Filter By. Now, since there's only one individual on my list of current filters, I can select that individual, or if I'm looking for a particular person, I can select the field above, type in the name, and then find that individual. Once I've selected Modified By in my criteria, I can choose Apply to apply the filter. Now you can see filters applied to specific columns indicated by the filter icon. If you find that you would like to remove a filter, you can select the drop-down menu, choose Filter By, and select Clear All. Once you've done this, you can choose Apply, and that filter will be removed. You can do the same for the remaining filters if you want to remove all the filters. Again, I'm going to choose Clear, Apply, and I can see I no longer have any filters applied to my folders and documents below. So now you've seen how to apply and use filters within OneDrive. If you are no longer using certain files in OneDrive, you can move them to the recycle bin. From the recycle bin, you can browse your deleted files, restore them to the original location, or remove them. Now from my files below, if I find that I'd like to remove a document, all I need to do is select the document and I can go towards the right-hand side and choose the Show Actions menu. And from this menu, I can select Delete. To confirm the deletion, I can choose Delete. And this file will be moved to the recycle bin. You can also remove multiple items simultaneously by selecting them from the left-hand side, and you can go up to the menu bar and choose Delete. Again, you'll need to confirm by selecting Delete. Now, if you find that you've accidentally deleted something and you would like to restore it to its original location, you'll need to access that folder or file from your recycle bin. To do this, you can go to the left-hand side menu and choose Recycle Bin. From the recycle bin, if you would like to restore an item, you can select the item. You can also choose to restore multiple items simultaneously by selecting them, and then going up to the top of the menu and choosing Restore. If you would like to permanently remove an item from the recycle bin, you can select it from the left-hand side and choose Delete from the menu bar. To confirm that you'll be permanently removing this item, you can select Delete. Now, if you'd like to empty your recycle bin, you can go up to the top of the menu bar from the recycle bin page and choose Empty Recycle Bin. You'll again receive a notification, and to confirm the deletion of all the items in your recycle bin, you can select Yes. Now I can see I have no items left to restore from my recycle bin. So now you've seen how to delete, restore, and permanently remove items from your recycle bin in OneDrive.